Hello and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, I encourage you to subscribe and check out the rest of the videos I have in my channel. Today we will be working on this 6-pocket purse. It doesn't take time to get it done, and it's an easy project for even beginners. All you need is 2 color fabric, or even if you want to go ahead and do it with 1 color fabric, it would be awesome. It doesn't really matter. All the measurements are in the description below as well. So let's get started. So here is what you need. This 2 pieces of fabric, I have the measurements in the description, and 2 pieces of the contrast or the pockets that we are going to make. I choose to use a denim for my fabric, and the contrast fabric is a heavy fabric. So for the straps, I'm showing you how you need to fold it. Again, all the measurements are in the description. So I ironed it, and now we are going to start with the straps. So you might want to iron it first and then sew on the toe edges as I'm showing you. Now assembling the pockets. So you lie down one of the pieces, the exterior pieces, and then you make sure the straps is not tilted, and then you measure 4 inches from each side, and add your straps and pin it in place. You are going to do this for both sides. And this is how it looks like after I finish my both sides. And now you can see we started to have some pockets. So now we are going to assemble the bag together. So make sure you line your straps together and then facing each other like I'm showing you, and then pin or clip around your purse. We're going to leave an opening on the side like I'm showing you, and we're gonna sew all around our purse. And this is how it should look like. Now we are going to work in our corners. So for the corners, you want to align your seams together and pin or clip as a triangle like I'm showing you, and we're going to sew across. And for the lining, you also going to do the same thing. And now we are going to turn our purse inside out. Book your corners, make sure everything is sewn in correctly. And now we are going to close our opening that we left. We finally completed our purse. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did one purse like that, please send me some picture. I have my Instagram and Facebook in the description. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Check out the rest of the videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.